ito na yung para sa makeup base and ito yung para sa eye makeup ko. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so what is up you guys? It's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, I will be showing to you another product that I got from SHOPEE. And of course, ang product na i-review natin or gagawa natin ng first impression ay ito, the Maange Makeup Brush Set. So itong product na ito ay nabili ko sa SHOPEE together with the sponges, which is this. And nagawan ko na to ng review sa channel ko, so if you haven't watched that one, I suggest that you check that one. I'll put the link anywhere in the screen, maybe here or here. Ayan. So itong product na ito is nabili ko sa SHOPEE, pero matagal-tagal ko din siyang hindi nagalaw kasi nga naging super busy. But right now, I have the chance to take a video, so I'm going to show you this one. So at first, I was really disappointed because talagang inisip ko na parang, ay bakit sa papel lang siya nakalagay? But then again, when you try to feel what's inside, nakabubble wrap pala siya. Ayan o. Try to listen sa mic. So packaging wise, nung dumating siya is, secured naman siya because eto yung loob nung packaging niya. It's purely bubble wrap naman. See? Ang lutong-lutong pa nung bubble wrap niya. Ayan, so I actually got this one from the official store of Maange sa SHOPEE, but they're also available in Lazada. And yung binili ko na set is for the eye brush makeup set. Ayan. It is composed of 12 pieces. So you can actually buy din face brush makeup set. So mabibili mo yun for 298 pesos per set. Yung kanilang eye brush makeup set is for 153 pesos. And kung balak mo namang bumili both the face makeup brush set and the eye makeup brush set, that is for a total of 483 pesos sa SHOPEE. And pwede ka ding bumili nito according to the colors. Meron silang champagne, skin, black, ano pa ba yun? Rose gold, and in my case, what I got is the skin and rose gold na combination of colors. So ayan siya. So aside dun sa bubble wrap is wala na siyang iba pang you know, stuff to keep it safe. And then eto na kaagad, naka-plastic. And then so from this plastic is naka-plastic din siya individually. So ayan. I hope you guys can see it. Ayan, eto na yung 12 pieces ng kanilang eye brush makeup set. All in all, ang kanilang eye makeup brush set is supposedly 16 pieces, but I actually have lang 12 of it. So yung other 4 is, I think, a brush for the face, a foundation brush, blush brush, and I think a fan brush. But I will not be needing that one na kasi because I already purchased na din, diba, the sponge. So ito na yung para sa makeup base and ito yung para sa eye makeup ko. So ang ginawa ko is tinanggal ko sila from their individual packaging or from their individual plastic, and here is how they actually look like. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's really cute because, you know, the color is really attractive and mukha siyang mamahalin sa kulay niya. So itong eye brush makeup set na ito consists of 12 brushes. So they have here short shader brush. Ayan. They also have contour brush, crease brush. They also have itong isa. This one is really cute because on the other end, meron siyang parang applicator ng mga brow gels and mga brow pomades. And on the other hand naman is a spoolie. So it's really nice. Next is meron silang flawless concealer brush. Meron din silang small fun brush for highlighter. And meron silang angled shading brush. So this one, ayan. And meron din silang eto for eyeliner. So bend eyeliner brush. Ayan. So naka-bend talaga siya, which is really you know, like weird or like. They also have medium shader brush number 2. They also have here blending brush number 7, large shader brush, and tapered blending brush. So, para makita nyo individually kung how they look like, I'm going to show you in the next slides. So, the bristles of these brushes are actually synthetic pala, which means that it is cruelty-free. Hindi masyadong dense compared to other brushes. And one thing I like about this as well is that hindi makalat yung pagkakalagay ng mga brush strands or yung bristles ng brush. Hindi siya makalat. So, itry ko tong sa mata natin. And let's see what happens. Okay, kahit sa mukha pa siya iyan, kahit sa skin, or kahit sa mata. Okay, so hindi siya masakit. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang brushes na parang nanunusok kapag nilalagay mo or ginagamit mo sa face mo. So, it's really nice because hindi siya yung parang nakakasugat or yung parang nasa-scratch niya yung skin mo. Hindi ganun yung effect niya kasi, yun na nga, sabi ko kanina, super soft lang yung bristles niya. It just glides when you use it. Yung handle naman niya is made from plastic. And itong part na to is made of metal. Merong names yung every brushes which makes it easier for beginners like me kasi, meron na siyang mga names, alam mo kung para saan siya gagamitin. And it will be easier for you to familiarize each eye brush na din. So, if you're like a starter, so it will serve na din as a guide for you, diba? Kung para saan siya gagamitin and kung ano yung brush na gagamitin mo for your specific eye makeup goals. So, to give you an idea of how these brushes looks like in a closer look, I will be showing you a montage. And for my final verdict naman, whether or not I will recommend this item or not, I will definitely recommend this item. Why? Because for the price itself, for 153 pesos lang, you get 12 brushes for your eyes na pwede mo nang gamitin and pwede mo pang pagpraktisan. And obvious naman na hindi tinipid yung quality ng ating product dahil from the handle itself to this one, to the bristles, hindi masakit yung bristles when you use it sa iyong skin, hindi siya yung parang nanunusok, and that is really something that not every eye brush set has. Kasi yung iba parang masakit siya gamitin sa mata, so this one is really good. And so, if you really wanted to pursue makeup and doing your eyeshadows and at the same time nagtitipid ka, then this is the best makeup brush for you. And if you also want to buy this item, I will link them down below, so make sure to check the description box. Anyways, before we end this video, bago ko pa makalimutan ang ating shoutout. So, shoutout nga pala kay Friends Warren Elio. Shoutout din kay Donnie Grace Branzuela. Shoutout din kay Danilo Cuarto. Shout out to Erica Pearl Princilio Celestial. Shout out din to you, Ray B. Mosquida. Shout out to Honey Rose Avila Cruz. Shout out to Sheila Rica. And shout out to my long distance friend na si Chinesca Refugio. Sorry, Chin, if I pronounce it wrong. Anyways, that is all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell beside it so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Manood ka. Sabi mo yun, manood ka.